Hey YouTube, welcome to my shop for the first ever 5-Minute Friday. I'm going to cover topics that are guitar related but not necessarily the guitar giveaway. So in this first episode, what I want to show you guys is what all came in that camera package. Now first I want to tell you right off the top, this is not sponsored. I'm not getting paid to do this. I was not offered any kind of commission or anything like that from these companies. But it's such a great deal, such a great value, I had to share with you guys every single piece that's in this kit. So let's take a look. This kit came with an awful lot of nice stuff. It had obviously the camera, the 77D, and the kit lens, the 18 by 55 kit lens, which is a nice starter lens, but you know, eventually you're going to want better lenses, but this is a great place to start. This kit actually threw in a couple things to make this lens a little more versatile. It has a telephoto converter at 2.2 times. It goes on to the end of your normal lens. You just thread it on, and all of a sudden you've added the 2.2 distance to that. So it magnifies things. It kind of acts like a telephoto lens. That came with the kit, and that was really cool. It also came with a wide angle converter. This is a I believe 0.43, yeah, 0.343 times wide angle converter. It does the same as the other lens. It screws onto the end of the kit lens and makes it act a little bit wider angle. For people just starting out, if you're doing outdoor photography, nature type stuff, this might be all you need. The next thing they put in on the kit was all these filters, and these are amazing. We've got these 4 filters are for the macro and the telephoto lenses. These lenses here are for the standard 18 to 55 kit lens. I'm new to a lot of this, so this was a lot of bonus stuff for me really, but it's stuff that I wouldn't have to go out and buy later on unless I really needed a high quality version of this. Then I can go out and buy one. But at least this lets me get started and see whether I need one or not. Then it came with all these graduated filters. Let's see if I can put this down here where you can see. See how one half is clear and the other half has some color to it? There's blues and pinks and all kinds of stuff in here. But those are just for getting special effects in your photographs that you're taking. It's nice to have this stuff. You can go out and do all kinds of experimenting with a kit like this. Now that I've covered all the lenses, they also gave you a cleaning kit. You got a cloth that came with it, some fluid, a pin to clean the sensor. I believe it also has a brush. There we go. Brush on the end. You retract that back in there. That's kind of neat. Also came with 5 Q-tips. Never underestimate the value of a Q-tip. This was also included in the cleaning kit. It's a little squeeze bottle to give you a little puff of air to get dust off your sensor. It also came with this neat little wallet. It's just for holding SD card. It also has a card reader, a USB card reader, so you can take this stuff from your camera and put it right into your computer. It also has a lens cap keeper. You put the sticky part onto your lens cap, and then the stretchy part you stretch around the outer part of your lens. This is such a cool kit. It also came with a little tripod, one of these little flexible bendy thingies, so you can hang it on stuff. You can set it up on the table. You can use it as a selfie thing. You know, hold it, put your camera on there, and you got a selfie rig. Now this isn't the highest quality, it's all plastic, but once again, it'll work and get you started. Then if you find that you use this a lot and you want to get a good one, go get a good one. This is very inexpensive flash. It also came with the lens hood, lens cap. You also get the Canon ones as well, so this is just kind of bonus. You get the Canon strap that comes with the Canon kit, and you also get this thing, and I'm not exactly sure what this is. I think it's mostly so you can wrap it around a tripod, and then you've got these straps here that you can click into the bag and hold a tripod or some other kind of gear that you can't fit into the bag. It also has a nice wrist strap. There's another neat little thing that came, and it's this waterproof thing, so you can stretch it out over top of your bag if you're out somewhere shooting. It just gives you a little more protection for your gear. Now the neat thing about this bag is it's all modular. You can move this stuff around wherever you want. So if you want to make a pocket here for a lens, you can make a pocket there. If you want to take this out, you've got all these different little things that you can use to make pockets. different arrangements for different length of lenses, all that kind of stuff. I put my camera here, or I'm going to keep my camera here because it's got access to the outside through this little side pocket. So you just unzip around there, and all of a sudden you can reach in and get your camera without having to open up the whole thing. So if you have this packed away in a car or something when you're traveling, that can be really handy. It also showed up with a spare battery for the camera, which is actually in the camera right now, and it came with its own charger, an adapter for using in Europe, also a little adapter so you can plug it into the cigarette lighter in your car, and obviously the camera came with its own Canon battery as well and a charger for that. If you don't have any video editing software or photo editing software, it also came with that. This is a really cool bag. It was a lot bigger than I expected, and it's a lot nicer than I expected. This bag alone sells for $60, and it's got all kinds of pockets in it. The one down here got these nice side slots down here, really deep pockets for putting different things, straps for hanging things on there. This pocket here on the side actually goes, look how far in my hand goes. This goes right up to my elbow. Pocket on the top where I put that rain pouch in there. Then on this side you have a nice little small pocket, maybe for your keys or something like that, but it's still, my whole hand goes in there, so it's actually still pretty deep. And of course this is the access door to the inside of the case. It also has a pouch on the side, and the one nice bonus thing to this, and I didn't see it in the description, but this is a huge pocket back here. You could put a small laptop in here or iPad easily. The pads, or the shoulder straps, seem to be nice and padded, and there's lots of padding back here as well. This case alone, they sell for $60. Now there's one more item that sold me on this kit. It came with a wireless printer. Get a nice camera, a nice bag, all the accessories, plus the printer, and you pay the same amount or less than if you just buy the camera body and the camera lens on its own. That's an incredible deal. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and if you like this, please share it, subscribe to it, click that little bell icon so you can get notifications as soon as I give you a new video. And it's Friday, so have a great weekend. See you next week. Nothing like recording everything and forgetting to push the button.